Okay, welcome to my dirty shop. I got one light, but I finally bought some more. So these are the same thing as that, except these are linkable at the ends. And I'm gonna hang a few more lights, probably one there, and then probably one here. 3, I think, will do it, being I'm off grid, so let's get on it. Okay, see how dark it is? Same light, moved from about the center of the room. So I moved that one because that's my main power, being I'm off grid. I only got one outlet up there. And then I'll just try to tie that one neatly, and then I can hook into that one because that one is not a linkable one. So I can hook into that outlet, and then I can link the other ones that I need. And then of course my rafters run this way, 4 feet apart. So I like to hang them this way, but I'm unable to. It's dark, big reveal. It's a lot brighter in here. It may not look a lot brighter to you, but so I decided to move that light because it's pretty much that post right there. That was it. That's where all the light was. There was nothing over here. So I was like, okay, well, I'll just move it back. I have problems when I'm working on front of vehicles because the light doesn't shine in the hood. So I was trying to get it out more, but then it left all this dark. So then with these being linkable, it's about a 5-foot cord, roughly. And it's actually 4.5 if you want to really look at it. So I hung this one because that's as much as I had there. And then from here over, so I got double light here. And then I still have 2 lights I can put in. The big thing I run into is we're up to about a 285-ish watts. So between the inverter, the router, and these I think are 40 watt or 45. So I do have one light I'm gonna put here to replace that one because that one's really yellow. So when I'm doing my plasma cutting and stuff, I can see a lot better. When I'm filming, you can see a lot better, but I think it's a big improvement. So pick these up on Amazon. It's upside down, but they're 6,500 watt or 1,000 color. But yeah, I'm very impressed. I just took another set change from the other one, added a zip tie in the middle so I could adjust it, because they're not quite 8 feet if you double them. Here's a big reveal. Oh yeah, look at that. You see how dirty my table is? Yeehaw. And then just comparison, if I turn these off, it's still pretty bright. So if I'm limited power or whatever, if I want to work on something over here, I mean, it's nice and bright. Thanks for checking this one out. It's not a fancy video by any means, but for me, I mean, the big time stuff, big upgrades. I'm off grid for those of you that haven't been following. So power is kind of limited out here. I got this big light I used to use when the sun was out. I could run my inverter and everything off. It just draws too much power. So with these being, you know, a lower wattage, my electricity consumption, because I'm using batteries as my backup to hold my charge and everything. So all we gotta do is finish cleaning up all those. Just a little wires hanging down, and yeah, thanks for watching.